I'll show you how you can make a PDF file on mobile. Now we're going to use a very familiar app you probably already know about. It's called Microsoft Word. Now it should come pre-installed with your phone, so we won't need to worry about installing it again. But if you can't find it, you can just install it from the Google Play Store. I'm sure you already know how to do that. So first off, let's just click on the plus icon on the very top here, new. And then let's just make a new one. Now for this example on this PDF account, I'm just going to pick a pre-made here, like a trip journal here. Now you can see this is what it will look like. Now I want to create a PDF file from this, right? But if you want to create a PDF file with other things, you can just make it on the Word thing here. Like you can add in text, you can add in pictures, you can add in clip art, you can add in like statistic, things like that. Doesn't matter. But once you have it, just click on the three dots up here. And then you want to click on Save As. Now on the Save As here, go to this device and then click on Download. And then just click on Save, right? And then just click on the place. You can see now it's safe, right? Now if you go to the three dots section up here again, you can see now there is an option to share as PDF. Tap on that, share as PDF. It'll get your file ready, just like this. Get your file ready, and that's it. Your document is now a PDF, just like that. Now you can just choose it to share it whenever. You can send the item to your printer, your phone, or you can send it to your PDF or your WhatsApp, your quick share, whatever. As long as it's in PDF like this, that's it, you're done. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.